Hi, I'm Floris from Dutch Realtor Training. As a real estate agent in the Netherlands, it's very important that you are able to know what a property is worth. Actually, to make a valuation of the property. I'm guessing in your case, it will be because you want to make a bid on the property, or you have been asked to sell the property and you really have to know what is it worth. That's basically what I'm doing the entire day. Also because I'm a valuer, but also because I make biddings, I sell houses. So how do you know what a property is worth? That's exactly what I'm trying to explain to you in this video. Now, there's something that you need to know. You need access to a certain housing database. And in most cases, you can only do that if you are a member of an industry association. We call it branchevereniging. So there are like two big ones, that's NVM and VBO Vastgoed Pro, who have been merged by the time you watch this video, I think. In order to become a member of that association, you need all the official Dutch realtor licenses, which you probably cannot get because you only speak English. Until now, that's why you can also follow Dutch Realtor Training. And if you have experience, you can actually become a member of the branch organization VBO Vastgoed Pro. That's a different story, so check out our website. There's a data tool. In the meantime, if you don't have access to it, there's a data tool I have found that I think is really cool. And I'm not trying to make promotion for them, but seriously, this is really a solution for you to do your work as a real estate agent in the Netherlands. I'm going to show you how it works. So check it out. Over here, we have a house that I found yesterday on Funda that has recently been sold in the Haarlem area. The address is Engelenburg 391. First thing that we'll do is to check out how's the decor of the property, the finishing. Well, I look at the pictures and I see a nice kitchen. I see a nice bathroom, nice kitchen. Internet is a little slower than I wanted it to be, but nice bathroom, etc. Take a close look at the pictures and to give this a rating for yourself from 1 to 10. Well, I give this an 8.5. Also, I look in the floor plans and I see that there is like a balcony and there's like a storage box. That's good information. Then I'm going to go to the features of the property and I'm going to see that it has a living area of 105 square meters, a balcony of 10 square meters and a storage box of 7 square meters. That's important information. So we've made another video of how to evaluate this property using the VBO data tool, but again, you probably don't have access to it. So now we're going to evaluate the same property with the data tool that anyone can get. It's a paid tool, okay, but it's not expensive. First thing, I'm going to copy the address and I'm going to go to the data tool called Matrixian. There's an object informatie tool, as it is called in Dutch, and I'm going to just search for the address. Over here we have the address and the house of the apartment. I'm sorry, there's a difference between a house and an apartment. This is an apartment. And there's lots of stuff that you can find. All the housing statistics and the energy prices and whatever. I don't care about that. We're just here to make an estimate of the value. So we're going to go to referentiewoningen, references. I'm going to click on that. And this is a pretty smart tool because he knows that this apartment is already 105 square meters. He knows the area, so he is suggesting me now 50 references of comparable properties. So the first one I'm going to pick is the Engelenburg 381 as a reference. We've also used this one I'm cheating a bit because we've used this one in the previous video, but so I know this is a really good comparable property already. But if you look at the decor of this property, it is a very nice kitchen, modern kitchen, modern bathroom. We have a floor plan where I see there's a balcony and a storage, and we have details over here. Same construction year, 103 square meters. So that's what I call potato. 103, 105. That's just the same. And we have a storage box. And we see that the waardeklasse, so the rough value, is 390, 420, somewhere between that. I'm gonna select this one here because I think this is a really good reference. I'm gonna look a little further. I'm gonna check out the property here, and I'm checking it out that it is also 104 potato, same square footage. But the decor, I mean, it's a really old, crappy kitchen. I have like somewhere with the same decor. So I'm gonna look a little further, okay? And I see there are also some properties of 69 square meters. So you know what? I'm gonna filter it a little bit over here. Filters, and I'm gonna say I want a square footage of 100 to 108. And then I'm gonna apply the filters. Let's see what we have here. This is also like, it's not the most sexiest kitchen I have I could imagine, but okay. Old toilet. No. Only if it's not really not possible to take another one, I can go back to that one. But we have number 501 here. We see a square footage of 106, potato. Remember, it's the same. We also have a storage box, yeah. And I see a really good finishing, so that's the same. So I'm gonna select this for my report. Basically, we would need one more. What is this one? 106. Wow, it's also a good, neat property. Little less, but okay. How big is this one? This one is 105. So this is also a good reference. I'm gonna select this for my report over here. Now, pay attention. I'm gonna generate the report over here. And what I want is the waardeontwikkeling. So how much the indexed purchase prices are now worth. And we need the transactieprijzen, so the prices that the properties were sold for. And I'm going to continue. We have to be a little patient here to generate a report. And you see here now that we have €0 of cost. That's because I've used this for another demo as well, but normally it's like €2.70 or something that you pay to generate this. So yeah, I'm okay with the costs, and then I'm going to generate the report. Now, seriously, I'm really enthusiastic about this tool, and I used several valuing tools, and this I just have to get used to the fact that you have to pay a couple of euros, but I mean that's all okay. If you do this a couple of times a day, it's not that much. So yeah, I'm gonna download the report, and I have my report over here, and I'll see that he thinks it is roughly worth around 400,000 euros, and I really like that because in another demo with another tool, it was also roughly worth around 400,000 euros. Over here you have the 3 references with the transaction prices, with the date that it was sold, and also with the index transaction price. From this, you can really make good estimate of the value of this property. It's a matter of fact, if I look at this comparable properties, I don't know why he thinks it's like 400, but if I look at this, it's more like maybe for 15-ish, 415. Yeah, and that's also what we kind of advised in another video, as you can look back. So I'm really enthusiastic about this tool, and this for you as a upcoming or an existing realtor in the Netherlands can really, really help you. So hope this video helps you a lot, just as our other videos. If you want to become a realtor, take a look at our course, dutchrealtortraining.nl. Thanks, and see you at the next video.